This is a gun from the pump. This is a so-called copper nozzle. This is injection packer. This is a grease nipple and injection packer. To connect, quick connect, just longitudinally attach. It has a socket inside. It will be self-lock. It has 4 pieces of the socket like the flower. It will be self-lock like this, and you can inject your materials to the concrete. Then after injection, to detach the gun pump from the packer, it's just rotate to an angle, rotate, and will be very easily detached. Attach, lock, rotate, detach. It's very easy.